doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter where you are. If you're in love with someone, better tell them how you feel. Tell them how you feel. Tell the person how you feel. Tell them how you feel. Tell the person how you feel. I've been crushing on this girl, but she doesn't know. On Twitter, she cool like frozen snow. She tweeted something, then I liked the tweet. I retweeted, and then I replied the tweet. She saw my reply, then she asked me, are you also related to them? Asked me, then I said, not really. I'm in the take yake, abokina ne GM. Just follow me back. Domin mu karasa ta DM, but they follow him back. But say around 11 p.m. God, I have been craving for that one, babe. But I reply a message, say after one day. That shit hurts, like say then they shoot my butt. But I guess it is time for me to shoot my shot. Then I said, it was a Friday night. Will you be the cure to my quarantine life? I have loved you from the moment I saw you. Girl, you're my problem and I'm here to solve you. And then she blocked me.